Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video I am going to clarify with the current updates regarding the counseling process for NEET PG 2021 for UG and PG, in which direction it's going, and I will tell you everything based on some facts. Okay, so we have been waiting for like a official meeting from FODA. So they have done the meeting with their state representative, and they have released a press release as on date of today, 9th of December. So in that you can read that later, but I will tell you the crux. So they had discussion with Honorable Union Minister, Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya ji, that the Office of Prime Minister is looking into the matter, and the process will complete it within a week. So some sort of assurance is provided by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and based on that assurance, the FODA has given, or the government has asked a time duration of 1 week, and within that duration the government is going to request Supreme Court to give an early date before the vacation starts for Supreme Court of India. The vacation is starting in this third week. So third and fourth week of this month will be there is no chance for hearing because Supreme Court is on vacation. So in the next week, today is Thursday, and in next week the Supreme Court has to give some decision for the counseling process to start immediately, and the reservation issue or matter will go on at its own pace. That's what the meaning of delinking. Delinking the reservation issue with the counseling process means there is no dependency of reservation issue, even though the reservation issue has some dependency. Before it is ready, it is in ready state to get implemented, the counseling process will start. So they are going towards putting an hold on reservation matter, and the counseling should start. For this matter to get it concluded, and with some direction from Supreme Court, the government had asked a duration of 1 week. Okay, and now I will read it out, the statement from FODA. We expressed our sincere gratitude to all resident doctors of the nation who came forward and joined the agitation called by FODA. We are resuming all services, okay, with immediate effect in case the issue is not addressed by 16th of December. So 16th of December is the last date given to Government of India. We will be forced to call for a complete shutdown of all services except COVID areas in the healthcare situation. Let me analyze it further. The agitation started on 27th of November. From 27th of November to 16th. So 16 days plus 13, around 20 to 21 days. So 3 weeks of time already given to Government of India since the doctors started protesting, and Government of India had asked 4 weeks of time. Even Supreme Court had given 4 weeks of time. So how much is the difference? See, even if you start the protest again, in case there is no concrete decision given in the favor of resuming the counseling process, and you start any kind of protest again at pan India level, or doesn't matter at what extreme level, the Supreme Court is off. Okay, so who is going to decide? Which authority is going to decide? There won't be any kind of possibility for this step, because the decision is pending with judiciary. Government is not able to take any decision because both are different institution and different system. So somehow I feel 1 week of time is too much, because even hearing happens in the Supreme Court of India, for a particular case they hardly able to give 5 to 10 minutes. So 1 day might be required to request the government advocate before Supreme Court justice to get a early date. Okay, so that doesn't require more than 1 day, and 1 day is required for the hearing just 5 to 10 minutes, and that day itself you will get the decision. There's no need to of waiting for 1 week, but it's all up to FODA and the doctors who are associated with the FODA, like junior doctors and all, who participate in protest. So I think FODA and the doctors who are in their association both are in line, because this decision is taken after the discussion with the state representative. So I'm not anyone to make any comment, but I'm giving you update here. So there is no, I'm not feeling that much of benefit is happening, okay, because already 1.5 week is spent and you are giving one more week. So 3 to 3.5 weeks is already over, and they had given a duration of 4 weeks. So there is no much improvement I see, and it's coming to its own actual decision that okay, after 4 weeks or in the month of January, on 6th January, the next hearing. So whenever Supreme Court resumes the process, they will be able to take that time only any case, whether it's a reservation related issue or like a request for early counseling resumption. But anyway, if any good news occurs in the next 1 week, then it will be very good news for all of us, so that the counseling process will at least get preponed by 2 weeks. Otherwise it will be same as last Supreme Court decision, that next hearing is on 6th. So not a very good news, I would say, because doctors were very excited that in couple of days we will having some good news, but it's not that good, because one week of time given is so much of time. Okay, so this is the update. Okay, and I will post this official letter or press release in my Telegram group. You can get it from there and you can read it yourself, okay, and get into the matter. So I would welcome all of your comment, and whether you think that this decision is good in the favor of you or in the favor of country, or whether it's good or bad. You can provide your suggestion, comments and all. Okay, so thanks for watching, and we will meet again with some other updates. Meanwhile, INI-CET counseling will start the mock round from tomorrow. Okay, and those candidates who are in doubt zone whether to start preparation or to wait for the counseling, I would suggest open your books and do start preparation, because the time which will be passed away, which will be spent, won't be taken back. Okay, so they have given the examination date on 12th of March. Many speculations happening, and even from a NEET mentor side I had done speculations in previous videos that it might get postponed, but I don't want to give you false hope. Okay, it's just assumption or based on analysis. I don't know what is the intention of Government of India. They might want to bring it to its original schedule. That's why they might be reluctant to schedule the examination or keep the exam on 12th of March only, even though there is not much gap between the last counseling date and the examination date. So you have to assume that 12th March is the examination date. In case you get it postponed, then you will get more time for study, and that will definitely improve your score. But one thing is very sure, next year in 2022 the competition is going to be much tougher. Okay, so you should be ready with that. In case you scored 350 this year and you got some rank, for the same rank next year you need to score around 400. So you can assume that kind of bandwidth you need to take, and more marks you need to get, then only is beneficial for you to go for next year. Otherwise the story will remain same. The bottom line in your case will remain same, that you need to go for some same kind of seat which you are expecting or you might expect this year, and but 1 year will be wasted. Okay, so accordingly you have to take the decision, and if you need any kind of help, then you can contact us on the number given 9319128677. You can also avail our paid counseling guidance. We will be happy to help you. So thanks for watching again, and have a great day.